Hello everyone in this fine hour. Let's check crypto prices and bit and understand what's happening there. So, here's the background. Bitcoin has been trading at more than 25,000 at 23rd of February, but now on Friday, March 10th, it fell beneath 20,000, and most of this fall happened in relatively short time frames, so couple of weeks the drop is rather spectacular, right? And one might argue whether the new crypto crash has started, because of course Silicon Valley Bank has collapsed, which was related to many startups and VC industry as well, and that could spark real risk asset run, and Bitcoin could be no example. That might be true, and we will talk these topics a bit later, but whether it's true I don't know, but the fact is here that there has been fall in Bitcoin, and it raises questions how large impact that would have. Well, if you ask me, I would say following. Actually, in terms of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin in particular, this fall doesn't mean a thing, because even though from 30-minute chart it might look rather spectacular, but if we look at longer term, we look at bit longer time frames and longer time periods, we would see that actually since middle of June prices have fallen into same range between 25,000 and roughly 16,000, and on average they stood at 20,000 for months, almost from year, because this is now what, middle of March, and then add 3 more months. If the price will stay at this range, it will be flat over the year and fall from $25,000 to $20,000 actually is aligned with Bitcoin's historical volatility, and it moves, because if you see, there have been many moves. For instance, when FTX collapsed, it moved from 21,000 to 16,000, and then at early January it rose from 70,000 up until 22,000 in just matter of days. And previously these moves also have been for several $1,000s worth of Bitcoin in just days. So here there is no exception. This move is expected to its historical volatility. It doesn't stand out in either way, and the price range is the same itself. So if no one knew any fundamental events, he would just see that Bitcoin moves as it should have moved, and there is nothing particular to see. Well, whether bank collapse recently will change something, no, we will know it, don't know it yet, and how it would differ, what difference would be on crypto prices, we will see, because to have something here in Bitcoin, the Bitcoin has to test either lower range levels or higher range levels, and once they will be tested, then we only knew for sure. So what are my conclusions here as a trader? As a trader, I see that, for instance, here trend is going below trend line, and one might start to short it, and he probably would have been into good trend. Well, maybe if Bitcoin spikes back, he will be break even, but if not, he's in the move for good money here. So this is what I see. This happened in Tuesday, March, between Tuesday and Friday on early of March. So all this subsequent crash came when he was already in money. So as I'm saying here, with good traders react to moves, and moves sometimes happen before or after some big event. In this case, big event might be collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, provided if they have real correlation between Bitcoin and collapse of this bank, but it's have to be seen yet, because there are many things which have to be unfolded, and it would require separate video. So in that sense, I have really nothing to add here. I'm really saying that move is according to its volatility, the prices move in range, and if you are a smart trader, you are just shorting downtrend. How it will play out, there is only one way how to see it. You just wait and see, and if trend will go good traders will make money out of it because trend has already started. And that's about it. So with that said, let's see how this moves, but expect nothing big, because in last couple of times there was nothing here, but you never know. As a trader, you never know. You have to be open-minded to everything. You have to be open-minded if prices collapse from 33,000 to 5,000, or there would be some reversal and it will went back to $23,000 and went shoot up to like $40,000. This is unlikely, but it might happen, and for trader it would be simply profit opportunity. So don't try to overanalyze it. Watch for reactions and don't try to see things which simply are not there. So if you like what you said, you know what to do. Stay tuned for my next videos and make sure that you are following me or subscribing me regardless or regards of which social platform are you are following me. So bye.